going, humans? Today we're making a lamp. But which one? Gonna have to come find out. So this project was a fun build. Okay.
Oh, you're gonna talk?
So.
Oh, okay, you go.
Have you guessed which one I'm making yet?
I don't know.
Yeah, this again. Oh no, how did that happen? If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go and watch. Is it this side? This side?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna have to jump in here because you're not doing a really good job of telling them what's going on and what we're doing. You're just kind of throwing stuff around and making a mess. So why don't you just pound away on that box for a while and I'm gonna tell them what's going on. So this build is a custom order that came to me with some very specific requirements. The customer wanted a lamp that was standing.
He's kind of cute. He's so stubby.
They wanted a shield.
Oh, he's front heavy.
They wanted USB charging.
It's gonna be cool because it's gonna have like a nice little USB thing.
And I think that was it. But that was enough to make it a bit of a challenge, which I'm always up for. Always up for a good challenge. So challenge accepted, and let's build a lamp.
Come on. Really need to go to the gym. What, you've never rubbed your pipe before? It's too long. I tried making Spider-Man. It didn't really turn out the best. Let me know in the comments if I should finish. Work. Careful. Legs. Ah! Oh! I thought it was a spider. It was the ground strap. I hate spiders. Not a minute epoxy. It smells so bad. Oh, he's front heavy. That's not good. Crap. I kind of want to try a different shield. Let's go make a different arm. There we go. The winner is Leaf. And in case you're wondering, this is the proper way to pick up your lamp. There's no other way.
Thank you for sticking around and checking out this video. If you're interested in the lamp or maybe something else that I make, you can find all that information on my website at HewmanMade.ca, or come stalk me on Instagram at HewmanMade. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.